Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Khan, and here I am going to give you a little tour of our library in Tilka Manji Agriculture College. Here the sections are started from forestry section, and here there are the different book of horticulture department. This is a handbook of horticulture, and here is some of the horticulture books for first sem, and followed by different writers and different perspectives. This is one of the biggest or vast book in our library which covers the different topics of horticulture, and it is issued by ICR. And let us visit the different sections as well. Here is a renewable energy, and we are proceeding to the next section or the next arrangement of our library, which is followed by biotechnology like plant tissue culture and crop physiology manual. And here we also studied the livestock book, which is known as handbook of animal husbandry. The one of the most popular book in biotechnology department or in plant breeding department is consist of BD Singh. It is further divided into subclasses, that is seed technology, or here is the subdepartment for plant pathology is also, that is virology or plant pathology by R.S. Singh and S. Siluber. Here are some of the books which are going to represent the plant breeding system. Here are the genetics, and this is a cell biology. This is derivatives from plant section pathology. And here are the glance of some competitive book, that is general agriculture or Arun Katyan. There are the books of agronomy, which also comes in different writers' perspective. That is S.S. Singh, S.R. Singh. S.R. Reddy is one of the most popular book of agronomy. Here is a glimpse of our prospectus, that is called as Palas, student's town. These are the section of extension. R. Villuswamy. As well as 24/7 AC working. Here is the environment is very peaceful and cool, which led us to study well in unfavorable heating conditions also. Here are the some book of other discipline apart from agriculture, such as psychology and grammar, general knowledge. Dictionary is also available here. Farm tools and equipments, the book of agronomy, and we are proceeding to the section of economics, which categorized by different writers. This is one of the most favored books by our professor, which is Acharya and Agarwal, Agricultural Marketing in India. Modern economics, agricultural economics, and here are our syllabus and curriculum. Agricultural entomology, basic entomology, Wi-Fi connection.
So we get free Wi-Fi here.
And we are also able to see the outer
View.
environmental conditions of view while studying. This provides us a serenity and peace environment which we enjoy while sitting in our desks and enjoying study as well as natural environment complexes. These are the sitting area.
I miss it.
These are the newspapers which are arranged here on daily basis for to elaborate or strengthen our capacity towards English speaking and communication skills. We have to maintain the registered timing while sitting here or while issuing book. It consists different batches with different years labeling. There is a printer and different library cards. So this is all the tour of our library. Thank you for watching.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe.